We have another examples. We have 8ac minus 7fb. This is base 16. C is 12. B is 11. 12 minus 11 is equal 1. 10 minus 15, because A is 10 and F is 15. I cannot do that, that's why I'm supposed to borrow 1 from 8. That's why this 8 becomes 7 and the borrow of 1 becomes 16. Remember, anytime you borrow 1, that 1 becomes the base over the next column. Now, 16 plus 10 is equal 26. 26 minus 15 is equal 11. That's why I'm going to write over here B, because B is 11. 7 minus 7 is equal 0. B1 is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the next example. We have A, C, base 16, and I have A, 9D, base 16. Subtract. D is 13. C is 12. I cannot subtract D from C. That's why I'm going to borrow 1 from A. This becomes 9, and I'm going to have 16 over here. 16 plus 12 is equal 28. 28 minus D, which is 13, is equal 15. That's why I'm going to write over here F, because 15 is represented by letter F. 9 minus 9 is 0. A minus A is 0. So F is the solution to my problem.